We got home at 10 p.m. Now it's 6 a.m. and we're gonna unload the trailer. Oh, did Heidi just go under the trailer? Oh no. Was that Gordy that went under? Who went under the trailer? That's Gordy. Mine's under the trailer.
Do you believe in love? Honey, you know I ain't too. We've got these faces in the crowd to sell a bill of goods.
We got a whole lot of gumball machines, and so I hope this all works out.
That was almost a good deal.
Let's hold up, 'cause my mind's getting thin. I wouldn't wanna stop.
We gotta help Dad load his truck back up, cause not for work, cause he had his truck full of gumball machines. So yeah. We've loaded 2 metal pipes and 2 copper pipes and 2 metal like extra.
From getting on in. Believe me, I don't think I'm perfect. And holding on the line, it's more like I'm towing the line. Let's hold up, 'cause my mind's getting thin. I wouldn't wanna stop.
We actually got 1 glass gumball machine, guys. 1 glass gumball machine.
Really?
Come over here, guys.
Getting things cleaned up.
Recorder, right? How'd you get that? Up from your wallet?
This takes a lot of hard work to just get all these stuff, especially for Miss Tina to just do all these. This took her 2 days now.
Okay, we're on day 2. How are you guys feeling being totally neglected since I'm washing so much stuff? Do you feel neglected?
I want food.
Have you brushed your teeth in 2 days?
I think so.
I have been washing these for 2 days now, and it's getting a little bit tricky to balance real life and this big project that I have. But we're super excited. So I am gonna just keep washing and scrubbing until the job gets done.
From getting on in. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me too. Love me, love me.
Everything is washed and dried. I'm gonna unscrew this and try to come up with a way to package everything, like so that we can store everything. The only thing that's missing from these are the coin mechs and the globes. So after we place what we've got, then we'll look into purchasing the globes and the coin mechs for all of this. So it has been 2 days of just washing, just cleaning, and then drying. And actually, I don't, where is it? I have been taking this hair dryer and just drying things down like this. Washing, placing, sorting, drying. This has been quite a process.
We're removing this post so we can store it on easier. We're removing a bunch of it. So you want to get your pliers and get to the nut. And
Other way, turn it the other way.
And give it a good twist.
There you go.
Then all you gotta do is unscrew it. Then it's off.
Nice. Good work. Just building the last of the machines. Pretty much everything has been washed and dried, and now it's just putting everything back together.
Stop you from getting on in. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me do, 'cause I do too. Love me, love me, love me, love me do. Just say that you love me do, me do too. Just say that you love me do too.
So my mom asked me to count out 17 beaver tops, and I did. And she told me to put them in the box, so I put them in the box. That was my second job. First job was unscrewing all these off these, which these were in these like this. So yeah.
Do you believe in love? Honey, you know I ain't too.
Got it! Got it! Got it! Got it!
For people like us, the best love that we know how to give really doesn't amount to all that much. But you're always welcome to it. I will kiss your...
I have my little workstation right here, everything I need. This stuff is great. I've used a ton of it already, and I'll probably have to go buy another bottle of that, but that's been fantastic. And I've been using this white lithium grease on all the coin mechs. Tons of spray paint, which we'll do some more of that today. And I switched from a color that was, I think it said banner red, and I didn't like it. It was more on the orange side, so I found this cherry red, and I like it a lot better. So we're gonna do some spray painting today, again.
To be warm when it's cold, I'll be a shelter from the storm. If you trust in my arms, together we will find a home. I'd stake my life on this love, for this love.
We're building capsule toy machines. Make sure to stay tuned, and also make sure to smash that like button. What we're doing right now is we're basically just, oh yeah, we should probably should we get these unscrewed, Mom? Okay, so we should probably get these. I got two of these, right? I'm on my third.
Breathe, yeah. I guess it just lets you breathe, yeah. Guess it just lets you breathe. I will kiss your scars, remind you again that you now know love. Where you once knew pain, I will hold your...
Now that we got them all cleaned up, we just need to find a place to put them.
Make sure to stay tuned and so you can see where we put them, and smash that like button and subscribe. Hopefully you guys like it.
In the next video, we'll post. Will it be a live stream?
In our next video, we're gonna build a bunch of capsule machines, so it's gonna be fun. And the capsules, they got like these little punching bags in them. It's pretty cool. It's like not a punching bag, it's a punching balloon actually. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Got 'em.
Got it. Keep back on kids out.
We will find a home. I'd stake my life on this love, for this love is now my life. All good comes from above, my darling. She shines in the